Hello again, friends. Today I've got a video that should light you up. We'll be creating a bright, glowing neon light effect. But first, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to click those like and subscribe buttons. It really makes me feel good. As you can see, I've already opened a background picture of an old brick wall just like you might see in an old dive bar somewhere. Trust me, I've seen one or two of these in my day. Anyway, it's a bit bright in here, so let's create the proper mood by clicking on the adjustment button at the bottom of the Layers panel. I'll select Brightness and Contrast. Then I'll adjust the brightness slider all the way down, and I'll adjust the contrast all the way up. There, that looks about right. Now, let's select the Artistic Text tool and write Jeff's Dive Bar. Give it a nice neon sign type font and a nice bright color like pink. Okay, now I'll duplicate the font layer. And then I'll select the lower of the font layers. We're going to make it look like the light is shining on the back wall. To do that, we'll click the Live Filters button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select Gaussian Blur. I'll adjust the slider to give a nice backlighting effect. Now let's go back up and select the top layer. We'll apply a couple effects to make this light really shine. Click on the Layer Effects button at the bottom of the Layers panel and select Outer Glow. I'll use the same pink color and set the slider to about 20 pixels. Maybe 22. Then I'll select Inner Glow. I'll set the radius to about 7 pixels, I'll change the alignment to center, and I'll set the fill style to contour while keeping the color at white. And voila, look at that! We have a neon sign. I think I'll get a beer out of the fridge and stare at this one a while. Well, that's it for another exciting episode of Practical Affinity. Thanks again for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's content, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone.